my channel. My name is Maya Brown and today we're going to be doing a deep conditioner review. The deep conditioner that we'll be reviewing today is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. So let's go ahead and jump in. Alright y'all, so as you know, deep conditioning is my favorite thing to do for my natural hair, besides like washing goes, but deep conditioning, I do it faithfully. Since I love deep conditioning my hair so much, I definitely want to incorporate deep conditioner reviews. That way you guys can know what to buy, what works, what doesn't work as well. Our hair is all different, but it's always nice to know like what someone else's thoughts are before we get a product. We'll first go over the details for the deep conditioner, the price, what it claims to do, the description, we'll go over the smell, we'll go over the texture of it, and then we'll get into applying the deep conditioner. Briogeo is a black-owned, woman-owned business, and they specialize in vegan products. Now, for this Don't Despair Repair, they have a shampoo, conditioner, they have a hair oil, and I believe they have a leave-in conditioner as well. And then they have this deep conditioner, of course. So, I have already shampooed and washed my hair, detangled it. I used the Giovanni Ultra Revive shampoo and the conditioner, the matching conditioner to it. I got these from Marshall's. They were both 10 bucks and they're 24 ounces. They work really well, so I was able to detangle my hair and everything in the shower. So, on to the deep conditioner. It comes in this cute package. I think this packaging is so adorable. Let's get into how much you get. You get 8 ounces and it retails for $38. That is a hefty price, so we definitely, not saying we're going to be harder on this product, but we're definitely going to test its claims, because $38 is very expensive and we want to make sure that we're getting our money's worth. So we're going to test these claims, and for this deep conditioner it says Don't Despair Repair blends rosehip, sweet almond oil and argan oil with vitamin B5 and biotin to revitalize dry, damaged hair while protecting against future damage. Shine and moisture are enhanced, so hair looks and feels visibly healthier and stronger. So that is awesome. It says after shampooing, massage Don't Despair Repair into the hair from root to tip. Leave in for 10 minutes before rinsing. Now, I typically sit underneath the dryer. That way the heat can help the deep conditioner to penetrate into your strands. So I normally sit underneath the dryer, and I'm going to make sure to do that with this mask as well. Yeah, let's go ahead and test it. This has really good ingredients. It has water, acetyl alcohol, it has aloe vera juice, those fatty alcohols, hydrolyzed wheat protein, soy protein, biotin. Alright, so this looks like it's going to be quite promising. It says it's Allure the Beauty Expert 2020 Reader's Choice Award winner. So that's really awesome. So I am expecting some big things from this deep conditioner. So let's go ahead and put it on our hair. My hair's already been sectioned off and I already detangled in the shower, and I just twist my hair up. We are going to go ahead and apply the deep conditioner to my hair. I do have a spray bottle, that way I can kind of spray my hair a little bit before putting the deep conditioner in. Alright, and this is the texture. So it's like a creamy texture. Okay. And again, I kind of like to warm up the product like so. Ooh. This feels really, really nice. Okay. So this claims to moisturize and provide shine to the hair. So we will see once I rinse it out how juicy my curls look. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know my hair is loving this mask already. It's literally just gliding through. It feels really good. It's super creamy. Already starting on a really good note. And no, this video is not sponsored. I don't think I've gotten to that point yet of sponsored material. And by the way, guys, I'm so heavy-handed, so don't mind me. Alright, so I think this section is nice and coated with the product. Look at that. Wow. Feels really good. Let me just make sure. And this is my thickest section right here. So I definitely want to make sure to get it nice and coated. And again, my hair is detangled. And I do want to show you guys what it'll do with the detangling brush, which it's just gliding through. Wow. I just like to twist up my hair. For me, during wash days, I like to always keep my hair separated. It just helps with your entire wash day process. So if your wash day is a little bit stressful, I definitely recommend breaking up your hair into sections. That way it's easier on you. And then we will move on to this section. This is a really good time for me to try this mask because it's for, you know, drier hair, which my hair has been really dry because I kept my hair in braids for about a week. I was in a wedding. One of my best friends, she got married over the weekend last week, and I was in her wedding and she wanted her hair straightened, so I bought a wig. And of course, in order to wear a wig, you want to have your hair either twisted or braided, that way the wig is able to lay. So this mask is coming at a perfect time because my hair is it was so dry whenever I took out my braids. We're definitely gonna put this to the test because my hair was super dry. Usually I use an entire 8 ounce, but I am not for this. I'm shocking myself. With my deep conditioning review videos, I was thinking about doing like chit chat or chat with me and deep condition videos. Should I do review videos separately? That way, if you're strictly just coming to see if a product works, you'll get a super quick video on it. Or do you prefer me to do a chat and deep condition review all in one? So it'll probably range between like 15 to 20 minutes for those videos. Let me know in the comments down below if you prefer me to do a chat and deep condition review video or do those separately, like do chat with me and deep condition videos and then your reviews. Do you want me to mix them together or separate? Let me know, because I definitely want to do what is easiest and what you guys prefer, because that's what I'm here for. I want to provide you guys with what I know and tips that I know of. That way I can help you on your journey. Guys, this mask is bananas. Alright guys, so we put the deep conditioner in. What we're going to do next is go ahead and put a plastic cap over my head. And guys, these are so essential. Whenever you go to Walmart, anytime you go to Walmart, beauty supply store, just go ahead and pick up some plastic caps. That way you're not using like a Walmart bag or anything on your hair. Just get the real conditioning thing, and they're like 94 cents. So every time you go, just go ahead and pick up some. That way you'll always have them stocked. But anyways, I put this plastic cap on my hair. I'm going to go ahead and sit underneath the dryer for about 20 to 30 minutes. And then I will be back once I've rinsed it out. And I will let you know my final thoughts on how my hair feels, how the mask did, if it stood by its claims to moisturize and provide shine and moisture to my hair. So we will test those claims as soon as I come back. Alright guys, so I am back. This is my hair after rinsing out the deep conditioner. My hair feels really, really soft to touch. I I'm not going to be able to tell whether or not it's shiny until maybe I style it, but so far, so good. My hair definitely feels strengthened. Hair looks and feels visibly healthier and stronger. I can definitely back that claim up. My hair feels so healthy and strong, very moisturized. So is this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Mask worth it? Absolutely, 100%. I definitely recommend this to you guys. It smells great. Smells like salon. Kind of like an orange smell too, or lemon or something, kind of citrusy. But it smells great. You're able to detangle with it. Your hair is really soft afterwards. It's a creamy texture deep conditioner. I feel like you will really enjoy it. If you're dealing with dry hair, hair that's not popping back, then you definitely, like, look at that. Curls popping. So if you want your hair to feel great, think like, oh my gosh, my hair just feels so amazing. Look at this. This is just me. I rinsed out the deep conditioner and this is how my hair looks. It feels so good. This mask does not define your curls. Obviously, my hair is really frizzy right now, so it doesn't claim to define your curls, so don't expect it to define your curls. It does give your hair lots of moisture, but it makes your hair feel really good. So that is the end of this mask. My hair probably looks really crazy right now, but that is the end of this. I just wanted to share with you guys this wonderful mask. I hope you guys go ahead and purchase this and tell me how you like it for your hair as well. And I am going to go ahead and film another video just styling my hair, so look out for that video. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember that God loves you and so do I, and that you're so beautiful the way you are. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.